Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll show you how to easily reset your TP-Link RE700X Wi-Fi range extender. If you're experiencing connectivity issues or want to start fresh with your extender, a factory reset can help. We'll guide you step by step through locating the reset button, pressing it correctly, and reconfiguring your extender after the reset. By the end of this video, you'll have your TP-Link RE700X up and running with your Wi-Fi network again in no time. First, identify where the reset button is on the RE700X. It's usually a small, recessed pinhole button, often found on the bottom or side of the device. The button is designed to be pressed with something like a paperclip or a pin, so it's not easily pushed accidentally. Ensure that your TP-Link RE700X extender plugged to the power outlet. Using a straightened paperclip, pin, or something similar, gently insert it into the reset button hole. Press and hold the button for about 10 seconds. During this time, watch the LED indicators on the device. After 10 seconds, the power LED, or other indicators, should start blinking. This shows that the reset process has started. Once the LED starts blinking, release the reset button. The extender will now begin the factory reset process. This will erase all previously configured settings, such as Wi-Fi network names and passwords. The device will reboot, which can take a couple of minutes. During this time, the LEDs may turn off and on again. Note, once the TP-Link RE700X Wi-Fi extender has finished rebooting, it will be restored to its factory default settings. You will need to reconfigure it by following the initial setup process, either through the web interface or the setup provided by TP-Link Setup Guide. Now reset process is successfully complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.